Good morning. Today's the first day of school for my baby. I'm going to be making his breakfast and putting his lunch in his lunchbox. It's currently 6:57 a.m. I'm going to be making him some Eggo waffles. These are the cinnamon toast crunch. I have his lunchbox right here. I'm going to be washing some strawberries. Also, for his first day of school, he wants me to pack him a Lunchable. I know it's not the healthiest, but it's his first day of school, you know. In his little snack pouch, I'm going to be putting some pickles in here. And I'm also going to be packing these for a snack. Some Oreos and then some Nutter Butters. And then we have his lunchbox. Number 103 Royale. We got this lunch pail. We're gonna do some strawberry. It's your birthday at school, my love.
Very happy Wednesday to you.
Target
just reported profits. Find anybody to take over the loan. Musk is paying back.
Which has his new shoes for the first day of school.
Which, if you have a mortgage, every once in a while it's like, hey, we're taking over the mortgage.
Here's the one that picked these bad boys out.
To other, but they can't. Nobody will buy it. Because nobody thinks Twitter's worth what it was. Yeah.
We're all ready for school. Now I'm gonna give you your breakfast. What do you have to say to the camera? Are you so excited to start school? Yeah, you're gonna make a lot of friends. Guys, so we chose first day of school. Was a success. I was gonna put videos of him like in his classroom and everything like that, but I feel like I shouldn't, only for privacy reasons. But I did take pictures of him before the first day of school, so I'll go ahead and put those in. Just got back from the store and we bought some serranos. I think these ones are serranos. Let me check. Yeah, I got serrano peppers. I got some tomatoes, right? Yeah, these are gonna be heirloom paste tomatoes. And I also got these little tiny husky cherry tomatoes. And then I bought this so I can water my plants. And then I also got some soil. Okay, honey, hold on. So I had some leftover soil, so I'm gonna put all of this soil in here. This is the leftover soil that I had from a while ago. I think I should just get it wet, huh? Let me add water in this. I'm adding a little bit of water in here, guys, so it's not so dry at the bottom. And I'm going to be adding this soil now. And I'm going to add a little bit, and then I'm going to add the plants in, and then add some more on top of the plants. I'm just going to be breaking up the big chunks. to them. And there's holes at the bottom of this little barrel. This is how it came out, guys. You want to water my plants?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. It's kind of heavy. Help you? Let's see. Davito's gonna help water. Good job. Thank you, honey. Let's water a little bit right here. All done. Right here too? Okay, all done.
Whoa.
This is how it looks, guys. Super, super cute. With the butterfly. And we also got this little wind thing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the camarones I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be using these camarones. I got them from Food Max. Raw shrimp. I took them out earlier. They're ready to cook as well. First, I'm gonna boil some chiles. Let me show you guys what chiles I'm gonna be using. Voy a usar chile California or chile guajillo, doesn't matter. And then some chile de árbol. And then some tomatoes. We're gonna put that to boil right now. Here for a bit. I turned it off and let it sit here because it's still, you know, hot or whatever. Now I'm melting some butter on the pan. I'm using a lot of butter only because the butter absorbs once the heatness and all that stuff. And I have my camarones right here. I seasoned them. I put Old Bay and Slap Your Mama seasoning. So I'm gonna give this a nice little mix just so the shrimp have a different flavor while they're cooking, you know. So this is that. I'm gonna add in these shrimps into here once the butter melts. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add in the tomatoes. I did 2 tomatoes. They're done already, so 2 tomatoes. Let's add in the chile. I did a good amount. The more you add, the more color and the flavor as well. The chile California, chile guajillo is not spicy. Those are the ones that are not spicy. That's why I'm adding in 4 chile de árbol. We can get a little spice in there. 4 of them and a piece of cebolla. Okay. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this juice in it. Like that.